Good morning, all of you. In this video, we are going to discuss the hybridization, geometry, and magnetic moment of nickel tetracarbonate. This heading comes under Unit 5 Coordination Chemistry. The compound given is NiCO 4 times. It is a neutral complex. The central metal is an atom. Nickel is in zero oxidation state. Carbonyl is also the neutral ligand. Both are neutral. This is neutral atom. This is a neutral ligand. First, I am writing the name of this coordination complex. We have 4 CO, therefore tetra CO carbonyl, tetracarbonyl, central metal ion nickel, oxidation state is 0. Tetracarbonyl nickel, oxidation state is 0. First of all, we have to write the electronic configuration of nickel. Nickel atomic number 28. The outermost electronic configuration of nickel is argon, atomic number 18. Then the electrons enter into the s orbital 20. Remaining 8 electrons are present in d orbital 28. Argon 18, 20, 28. Nickel is in zero oxidation state. Therefore, the electronic configuration is as such. If it is in 2 plus ion, 4 plus ion, we have to remove the electron from the 4s orbital. But here nickel is in zero oxidation state. Therefore, this is the electronic configuration of the central metal ion. Now, draw the box form orientation. D orbital has how many orientation? 5 orientation. You know what are the orientations of D orbital? There are 5 MLEs are obtained: dxy, dyz, dzx, dx squared minus y squared, and 4s also containing 2 electron in the electronic configuration of atom. This is your 3d outermost orbital, 4s orbital, 3d 8 electron, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. According to Hund's rule, we have to fill the electron. S orbital 2 electron, 1 electron, 2 electron. Now, we have to write the nature of ligand. In the given complex, our ligand is CO, carbonyl. There are 4 ligands considered as a strong field ligand. Carbonyl, cyanido, kappa C, ethane 1,2 diamine, and NH3 amine are considered as strong field ligand. Our ligand is CO, carbonyl. Carbonyl is a strong field ligand. Carbonyl is a strong field ligand. What is strong field ligand? If strong field ligand is present, it pairs all unpaired electrons. It pairs all unpaired electron. Strong field ligand pairs all unpaired electron. After pairing, now our electronic configuration in box form electronic configuration is 1 electron from 4s orbital is paired with 3d electron. Due to the presence of strong field ligand, pairing takes place. Another one electron is paired with another 3D. After pairing, the electronic configuration is 3D, we have 5 orientation, 3D xy, yz, zx, x squared minus y squared, z squared. Here we have 4s orbital. After pairing, the electronic configuration of nickel atom is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After pairing 9 and 10. Now the vacant orbital start from 4s orbital. Vacant orbital start from 4s. And remember, the coordination number of nickel, coordination number of nickel in this complex, which complex? Tetracarbonyl nickel 0, coordination number is equal to 4. Therefore, the central metal ion provide 4 vacant orbital. The central metal ion must provide 4 vacant orbital. Now we have only one vacant orbital, 4s. So if fourth cell is present, 4s, 4p, 4d, 4f orbitals are present. So 3d, here you have 3d 5 orientation, 3d 5 orientation, 4s is the vacant orbital. There must be 4 vacant orbital. So after 4s, if you want, we can use 4p, 3 orientation. This is 3d xy, yz, zx, x squared minus y squared, z squared, 4px, 4py, 4pz. Fourth cell is present means it containing 4 orbital, all the orbitals are vacant. If you require 4d, you can take. 3d orbital already containing 10 electron. All the electrons are paired. Now, the 4 ligand, what is our ligand? Carbonyl, CO, started to share its pair of electron with the vacant orbital of the central metal ion. Carbonyl started to share its pair of electron with the vacant orbital of the central metal atom. So what is the hybridization formed here? Starting from S, 1s, how many p? 3p. 1s, how many p? 3p. Hybridization is sp3. If the hybridization is sp3, according to VPT theory, what is the geometry? Tetrahedral geometry. It is tetrahedral geometry. Hybridization and geometry are over. Now we have to study the magnetic moment, magnetic properties of this compound. Magnetic properties. Magnetic properties, 2 properties. One is whether it is diamagnetic or paramagnetic. All the electrons of the central metal ions are paired. All the electrons are paired. Therefore, tetracarbonyl nickel 0 is diamagnetic. Diamagnetic substances repelled by the magnetic field. Diamagnetic substances repelled by the magnetic field. Find out number of unpaired electron. From that we can calculate magnetic moment. The number of unpaired electrons, n value, number of unpaired electrons, n value equal to 0. There is no unpaired electron. Therefore, we can calculate magnetic moment. The formula used to calculate magnetic moment is magnetic moment mu s equal to root of n into n plus 2 Bohr magneton. Unit of magnetic moment equal to Bohr magneton. We know number of unpaired electron is equal to 0. So when you substitute the value, n value in this formula, mu s equal to root of 0 into 0 plus 2, that is equal to 0. Spin only magnetic moment equal to 0. Bohr magneton. Unit is Bohr magneton. The mu b is also indicated by Bm, Bohr magneton. From this, we can calculate hybridization, geometry, magnetic moment of nickel tetracarbonyl. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.